crunchy, it's cheesy, it's tasty, and we call it Chaffles. Hi, I'm Miles.
And I'm Hunter. And today we are showing you how to make chaffles. By the way, this recipe is not originally ours. We're using the recipe from the Keto Twins. Their video is in the link in the description down below.
Anyway, let's get ready. You need 2 tablespoons of almond flour, a half a teaspoon of Xantham Gum, 1 cup low moisture mozzarella cheese, 1 egg white from 1 egg. Anyway, let's get cooking. By the way, we are also making this. We're cooking this in a waffle iron.
You can buy it at Target and it costs about $10.
Anyway, let's get cooking.
You said that. First, add all the dry ingredients to a bowl and mix. Almond flour, Xantham Gum, and cheese. And mix well. Then add your egg whites, or just 1 egg white, and mix well again. Then plug in your waffle iron and add 2 tablespoons of the chaffle mix. And close it. When you're cooking the chaffle, make sure you spread the batter out evenly. When it's done cooking after 2 minutes, or about 2 minutes, take out of the chaffle iron and enjoy.
Time to taste. By the way, we are using the sugar-free syrup to put on our chaffles. You can find it at Walmart, I think.
Ten out of 10.
10 out of 10. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.